Hello everyone, this is Monishka and you are watching Monishka's Art and Craft World. So welcome to my channel. Today I am here after a long time with these beautiful cute little envelopes, as you can see. So in today's tutorial you will be learning these beautiful envelopes. So these both I have made 6x6 pattern paper and these both I have made 5x5 pattern paper. So hope you will be loving it. So before going further, make sure you have subscribed to our channel and do not forget to click on the bell icon. So let's move to our tutorial. So for making our envelope we must have all these things: red tacky tape. If you are not having tacky tape you can use your liquid adhesives, because if we are not in hurry you can use these as well, and if you are in hurry then you can use your glue gun as well. And then we need to have this scoreboard. If you are not having scoreboard then you can use ruler or pencil as well, and scissors and some pattern papers. Here I am using Dress My Craft Whispering Glove paper pad, and scoreboard is also from Dress My Craft. This is multi-purpose scoring board, and here I am having some scrap papers also. So using these scrap papers we will make rosette flowers. So let's get started. So in starting, here I am taking this scoreboard of Dress My Craft and I am going to taking out this triangular ruler and this bone folder which comes with this scoreboard itself. And now I am going to take one pattern paper. This is 6x6 pattern paper, and this is from Whispering Glove, which is from Dress My Craft as well. So now I am going to take this triangular ruler and I am going to put it like that. Now I am taking this 6x6 pattern paper. So here all the measurements are already given, so you have to choose which you have to make. So here I am taking this 6x6 pattern paper, and then we have to score on 3. So here I am taking this pattern paper and this is 3. So we have to score from here like that. We have to score from all the sides. Now you can see this line and this 90-degree angle, and I'm putting my paper like that, and now I'm going to score it. It is very easy to make with this scoreboard like that. As you can see the scoring lines. So we have to cut these triangles, this one and these also. So we have to cut it like that, and now we have to fold from all the sides like that, and we have to make a very good crease lines using our bone folder. So it is done. Now we have to just paste. Here I am using my tacky tape. So now it is done. As you can see, you can put anything in your envelope and it is ready. So now for decorating this, I am going to make a rosette flower for this. So for making rosette flower, here I am taking these 2 strips from my scrap, and these both measures 6 by 1/4 inch. So here I am gonna score these strips on 1/4 like that. So we have to score on both the strips and then we will fold for making our rosette flower. It is very easy to make with the help of this scoreboard. A crafter must have a scoreboard. If you are liking my video, then please do hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed it, then do subscribe it first so you will not miss any update. Like that, as you can see. Now we have to fold it like that, upside down. So like that we have to fold this strip. Now we have to follow the same process with another strip. So let's make that one also. So I have already scored it. So now we have to follow the same procedure and we have to fold upside down like that. It is very easy to make and it looks very beautiful. Like that. Now we have to take these both strips and now we have to attach both. So we have to take our both the strips and we have to attach like that, as you can see, like that. So now I'm taking my tacky tape. We have to attach like that. Now we have to attach this corner as well by following same procedure. So now here I have attached this tacky tape and now we have to paste like that. So our circle is ready. Now we have to make it like this and then we have to put something at here. So we have to just apply, like here I am going to apply this fuzzy cutout here like this. So I have already attached some tacky tape on it and now I'm going to remove it. So we have to make it like that and then we have to paste it like that. Like that, as you can see. So now we can apply something at here also so it will never come out. So here I'm taking this white cardstock and applying liquid glue on it. You can use tacky tape also and you can take any glue and now I'm going to apply it here so it will not come out like that. So it is ready. Isn't it looking pretty? Hope you will be liking my videos. So now I'm going to apply this rosette flower on my envelope. Isn't it looking pretty? So now you can put anything in it and you can give any gift to your loved ones. So thanks for watching and keep watching Manishka's Art and Craft World.